All right, so here's the deal. This is Rocco, my 2002 Toyota Tacoma. I noticed that there's uneven tire wear on my tires, and I just bought these like 3 months ago. To show you how bad it is, the inside is about 7.56 millimeters, and the outside is 5.65 millimeters. So there's definitely something wrong with the alignment of this truck. So like any other normal person, I took it to Crappy Tire to get an alignment. Unfortunately for me, they said they couldn't do it because they had a list of things that it needed to be done because they couldn't align it. All right. Let's take a look at this. So it says it needs brand new left and right lower ball joints, which is about 60 bucks a piece. Actually, for some reason, the other hand is $10 more, but yeah, 60 bucks a piece, and it's gonna cost me $159 to get it done, as well as new left and right outer tie rods, which is about 45 bucks a piece to get it installed. So for the grand total, well, that's the wrong amount for the parts because it's quoted for, they said I need a new rack and pinion for whatever reason. About $260 in parts and then $855 in labor. Now, most people would have just paid that and cried about it later to get it fixed, but I don't have $850, so I'm gonna do it myself. So I went on Rock Auto to check out if I could get the parts for cheaper. So I got my outer tie rods and my lower ball joint for about $170 with shipping. So even with shipping, it was still a lot cheaper than the parts that I got quoted for. I'm gonna try to give these a go, and it's not like I'm gonna go crazy off-roading. This is just so that I can, go on dirt roads so I can go camping. So I'm not doing anything serious with this truck. I don't even plan to lift it anytime soon. So I just want to get this done so that I don't waste my tires that I just spent money on like 3 months ago, because I don't want to have to be rotating these tires. But yeah, that's enough talking. Let's go get these parts installed. Uh-oh, looks like I'm a bit short. This was in my way anyway, so don't mind if I do. Well, it looks like that'll have to do for now. I'm just gonna have that for safety, and then that's gonna be holding it up. Wish me luck. So this is what we're gonna be replacing today. This is the outer tie rod, and this is the lower ball joint. It does look like, well, that looks like it's leaking, and the lower ball joint also looks like it's leaking, so probably needs help. It needs some help. Yeah, let's get to it.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here, and today I'm gonna show you how to replace
This side's still good though. There we go. Well, she ain't moving, so. Finally. All right, so this is the new part. As you can see, this is the old one. I don't think it's supposed to be doing that. This is the new one. Nice and stiff. Way stiffer than the other one. So let's go ahead and put that one in. It's about 18 twists all the way in. Gotta make sure I put the lock nut.
What?
Again, it doesn't have to be perfect because after I put this in, I gotta get it aligned. So they're gonna probably have to unscrew it or screw it in anyway. So we'll just try to match what it was before. All right, I got the outer tie rod installed. Now we just gotta take out the lower ball joint and then put everything back together. There we go. There we go. We got it out. That one wasn't as hard as this one. I just needed a special tool for it. Look at this. Look at all that. Look at that play in there. That's not supposed to be doing that. It's how it's supposed to be. Super stiff. Thanks, folks. Alrighty, the driver's side's done. It only took me like 4 hours. What time did I start? Oh yeah, like 5 hours almost. I started at 11 o'clock. It's now 3:39 and 3:40. So is it 5 hours? 4? I can't even think straight. Anyway, I mean, I had to do a lot of running around because I didn't have enough tools. I had to buy a torch. I had to buy the arm puller. I had to buy a bigger wrench, but pretty confident I can get the passenger side done quickly, but I'm kind of out of time. It is New Year's Eve, so I'm planning to go and have dinner with Giselle. So I'll probably do that tomorrow, and I'll continue that in a bit. I didn't think it would work, but I ended up using this to get this off because I couldn't hammer it off. I broke my hammer. So this worked good. I'm glad I bought one. That doesn't look so good either. Look at that. Whee! All right, so it's all done. I got the lower ball joint and outer tie rod on the passenger side finished as well. This one was definitely a lot quicker to do. I knew what I was doing. I had all the tools that I needed. It's great to have all the tools that you need when you need them, right? So now if I need to work on the truck in the future, I have all the tools that I need. Hopefully, I probably still need to buy a few more bigger wrenches because bigger truck, you know what I mean? Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hey, Future Chester here. For anyone wondering if I got the alignment done at the Tacoma, I got it done at a different shop for about 125 bucks plus tax. For anyone wondering, this is the adjustment that they made. You can pause the screen if you're interested to see how badly it was out, which it was kind of pretty bad. So yeah, the truck is all good now. Hopefully there's no more tire wear. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, back to the video. Something about commenting a specific random ass thing I'm going to ask you to do. So yeah, here. Comment lower ball joint in the comments to let me know that you guys finished the video all the way through the end. If you did, thank you very much. I appreciate you. And yeah, if you already haven't, definitely subscribe, like, do all that cool stuff so that YouTube knows that you like watching my videos. As always, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. It wasn't really a tutorial, more of a just really documenting the video that I did on Tacoma. So thanks for watching. I hope everyone has a great new year, and I hope everybody gets what they wanted in their
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
New Year's resolution. So yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye-bye.